Today's episode of Virgie's Guide to Pasadena Trees is the Floss Silk Tree, Ceiba speciosa being the scientific name. And I'm just going to show you. Well, it's perfect that we've got the flowers on it right now and we've got the fruits. Also, here in late September, soon to be early October when I'll post this, so it'll be just perfect for Halloween. Well, you'll find out why it's a Halloweenish kind of tree in a second. But first you'll notice all these beautiful pink hibiscus-like flowers. Oh, they are so pretty. Maybe you could even see some bees in this video. There was a hummingbird here earlier. This tree, it's actually sort of shedding the flowers now, and it used to have even more. It's a very spectacular show. Yeah, so the flowers you'll notice, and the leaves. Nothing especially Halloweenish about the leaves that you can tell right now, but you will see it's just a simple serrated leaf with a slightly tapered end, and we call that palmately compound. See where you've got a bunch of them spoking out from a center there? We call it a palmately compound leaf. So there we go. Well, what makes it sort of Halloweenish? Well, one thing you'll notice on the bark here, see how the bark is sort of smooth and gray, except it's got spikes all over it. Ooh, so spooky. Yep, there's tiny little, sharp little spines all over the trunk and the limbs of the tree. Very interesting. Well, let me show you also the fruit here. Here we go. The fruit is this green thing hanging down. If you were to cut it open, you would see inside some white, flossy, silky stuff. That's why it's called the Floss Silk Tree. They actually can use that white floss, silky, that floss silk stuff for practical purposes. I heard in this book called the Urban Tree Book something about what they used it for in World War II. I think it was like to line the jackets of the fighter pilots or something like that, but you'll have to look up the Urban Tree Book to make sure. Oh look, hummingbirds. Can you see the hummingbirds? Where are the hummingbirds? Come on. There's one. Beautiful. There's one. Oh, so pretty. Wow, look at that. And there you get the fruit in the same picture. Yes, okay, sorry, so I'm distracted. Yeah, so there's the fruit. I seem to recall that in with the fruit there's some dark colored seeds too, but sorry, I can't actually reach those to take them down and show you. The shape of the tree also makes it sort of creepy and Halloweenish and spooky. Look at how it kind of looks like a person. See how at the very bottom it's a little bit narrower, and then it gets a little fat, and then it tapers up toward the top. And then you'll also notice the limbs. They kind of look like arms, especially on this one. Yeah, just look at that. Yeah. Okie doke. And let me just run over here to show you a couple more. Okay, well, I'm not sure why these trees don't have any leaves on them, because normally, according to my books at least, it's supposed to be evergreen at places where it doesn't get any colder than 35 degrees, and it certainly is much more than 35 degrees here in Pasadena right now. So I don't know why this one has been without leaves for so long, or this one either. I mean, it's got a few, but just kind of odd that it's missing them. But anyway, kind of fun. You can see again this the funny shape of the trunk, where it's sort of creepy looking and almost looks like a person. Man, stupid fence getting in the way here. But you can see on this one, see how the trunk is all fat, kind of at the bottom, and then you've got these arm-like limbs. Let's see, maybe this one. Ooh, stick the camera inside. Ooh, look at that. Look at that special Halloween tree. Oh, it's so beautiful and creepy and weird. One final thing, it does come from South America. It's native to Argentina and Brazil and other South American countries. So it's not a native California species, sadly. But you often see it around the city. So interesting and spiky and weird. Look at that. Okay, enjoy!